Beyblade.
What's up, bladers and non-bladers? The name's Blader, and today I'm gonna be teaching you on how to assemble and disassemble your BX or Beyblade X Bey. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you're gonna take the layer or the blade and then the ratchet. So you're gonna flip this layer and you can see a molded shape here. And if you look closely to the ratchet, this white part that here perfectly fit. So just like that, if it fits like that, then this is good. But if the ratchet doesn't fit here, even if you align this here, it doesn't fit even how many times you do it, then the only solution to that is to look closely here. As you can see here, there's an L and R. So L stands for left and R for right spin. So if it doesn't fit to this layer, then this means that this layer is right spin. So the only way to change that is to hold it like this, thumb here and index or pointer finger, So you're gonna just, if this is in left spin and you want it to change it to right spin, then just do it like this to the left. So that's right spin now. But if your layer is left spin and it doesn't fit, then hold it like this again and then go to the right. I'm gonna go back to the right, and if you put it like this, it perfectly fits. But this isn't entirely locked, because if you do this, gravity, but if you pull it like that, then since it's not entirely locked, you can just separate it. But to really lock it is to hold it like this, and then if this is right spin, then you're gonna go to the left. So you can also hear a click, and if you hear a click when you lock it to the left, then to confirm is to yes. If it doesn't fall off, then it's good. If it's tight, it's good. So if it's loose, it's bad. Okay, so yes, right spin, this is right spin, and you're gonna go to the left just like that, and there's a resistance there, then it's good. Also, you can also see this, and yes, so if it's like that, there's a gap there, and to lock is to just left again, and if you can see here, there's no more really big gap. So yeah, that's good. So next up is the bit, and you're just gonna simply insert it here. So yeah, so that's how you assemble your X-Bey. To disassemble your X-Bey properly, so most people do this, so that's not really good, to be honest, but because the main reason if you do that is you can damage the insides of your ratchet. So to avoid damaging the insides of the ratchet, you're gonna pull off the bit first. So just like that, pull off again, because to insert it is to insert it. But if you want to disassemble it, you're gonna pull it before the ratchets. So yeah, that's how simple it is. So yeah, you're good to go. So that's all, everyone. Thank you all for watching, and see you all next time.